Hi everyone, my name is Taufik, design engineer at Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through two products and also will be giving a brief introduction on how the product works and what is it actually. Hi everyone, today I will be taking you through the SPDT slide switch. This single pole double throw slide switch is rated at 30 volts 200 milliamps. The pins have 0.1 inch spacings and it can be used in a solderless breadboard. It is used as a power switch and can be used as a standalone, and it can be used to switch between on and off for low power electronics, and it can be also used to switch between analog and digital signals. And the switch can also be combined with a MOSFET to make a higher power switch. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.